Okay, good morning. Okay, so we are now in my house, and this is the sitting room with my swing. You can see the swing over there. You can see that's the sitting area. This is the dining area. Okay, there's a little bit of mess, but I think it's all right. Okay, this is not a video which I'm going to show everybody. Okay, so there is the kitchen. You can see the kitchen has got a door, and the door is designed in such a manner that there is 2/3 glass and 1/3 wood. The lower 1/3 is wood, and the upper 2/3 is glass. Now the idea of this is that it allows maximum light into the kitchen. Let's go inside. All right, so we open it up over here, and here it is. All right, I'll just take it from this angle. Okay, so that is the door through which we came in. We have the stove over there with the hob. The hob goes up like that, and it goes outside over there. Can you see it? All right, it goes outside, and this is the stove. The stove is designed in such a manner that, what do you call it, you light the gas over here like this, and that part is north, that part is south. You can see the east over there, that's medical college, and on the west we have our fridge. Okay, so we have the stove over there. The stove is designed so that you are lighting a fire over here, you are facing north, and you are lighting the fire. It's symbolic. It's got a little bit of vastu relevance also, because if the stove was facing south, I mean, you will be, when you light the fire like this to the stove, it's equivalent to lighting a funeral pyre. I mean, if you believe in Vastu, that is. So preferably don't face south and light the stove. So you see here, now I'm looking towards north. I am going to light the fire over here, and this is how it is. But of course, the kitchen nowadays, like they have that automatic, you just turn the knob, and it has got a kind of a mechanism which brings out a spark, and the fire lights up by itself. All right, so here we have the microwave, and you need a power plug. You see over there, that's a power plug which manages the microwave, and a set of a small compartment over here. We keep all the essential spices, so that when the cooking is going on live, sometimes the lady of the house needs the you can also do a little bit of cooking, Felix. It doesn't hurt, actually. The best cooks are males. I hope Nimi is also hearing this. All right, so so what do you call it, so you keep some essential spices over here, so that while the cooking is going on live, you want to take out spices, you can do that. Here is the, what do you call it, that's the hob which takes out the smoke. Here you press this button. Oh, I hope you heard that noise. And that is the lights, so that you have a little bit of extra lighting while you're doing the cooking. I know, I'll just switch that off. All right, now here we have the fridge. Okay, then comes the kitchen. Here, see, you have cabinets below in a line like this. This is on the south side of the kitchen. You have the wash basin over here, the sink. This is that sink, which is made of a kind of a granite material. It's got what do you call it? This is where you do the washing, and after you finish the washing, you keep the washed vessels over here. It's got a small hole over here, so that the water drips out, it escapes through here. This slab is made of granite. We selected this particular color because we like kind of natural colors. and the cabinets are also given the same color. Okay, the length of the from the wall to the edge of the slab is 24 inches. You can see it right here. So this slab is about 2 feet in length. Then we have got various cabinets over here. Now below the stove we have got drawers over here where we keep spoons and all those kind of things, and Nisha always keeps a lot of things over here. Then we have a cabinet below here like this. These are all cabinets, and similar to this you can design the cabinets as per your liking. Here we have designed this one in such a manner that you can keep big vessels over here and relatively smaller vessels down. Perhaps there was a suggestion that this big compartment should be down and the smaller compartment should be up, because so that the lady of the house does not have to bend too much to take out utensils from below. The ones which you use frequently, I mean, those will be kept up so that you don't have to bend that much. Okay, so we'll close that. Then you have these things above. Okay, you can design this. Yeah, you can get an idea of it. There it is. And this space between the slab and the cabinets above, there is a small area about 2 feet, from here to here. These are the dado tiles. Okay, so when we chose the slab, I mean the marble, we had to get a dado tiles. These are the dado tiles. The dado tiles which has got a similar color to this, and it's got a kind of a natural what do you call it, muddy effect. And these are called the dado tiles. You go to one of the shops, the big shops which are selling tiles. You tell them you want dado tiles. They will show you they'll show you the ones they have got. In addition to that, they will show you catalogs of various kinds of dado tiles. We chose our dado tiles, and then they showed us samples of it, and then it took about 2 weeks for them to have it bought in from Delhi somewhere. Okay, so, and here it is. You can see the cabinets on top. Okay, and this is the area where we do the washing. Now you can notice that now outside that faces Medical College. You can notice that I have made similar arrangements with the windows over here so that it lets in a lot of light. So you can see the door is also 2/3 glass and 1/3 wood, and similar to these windows. Now ideally around this point over here you could keep an exhaust fan. An exhaust fan is an essential part of the kitchen, because you have all that, the spicy things when you're cooking them. It leaves a very pungent odor in the air, so you don't want yourself or your missus coughing while cooking. So we did not put that, because this hob like thing, it's got one of those exhaust things which sucks up the air through these panels. It sucks up the air when you switch it on, and it cleans up the air inside the kitchen. Okay, so here the dado tiles, you can see it extends all the way up to the sink, and it finishes over there, and here it goes up to here. Now the one design fault which we had in our kitchen was that, you see, the fridge is located over here on the west side of the house, and you see those compartments there which is on the side of the fridge. You see, I can't open those things because the fridge is obstructing it. So if I want to open those things, what I have to do, I have to have the fridge shifted slightly over here, or I have to pull out the fridge from there, and then only those compartments. So a design flaw, which of course there's nothing I can do about it, but you will such kind of small things will come up, and you will have noticed it only after the whole thing is over. um, so that's it. Now here is the work area. Now just outside, we just open that door and we go out of the, this is where I put up all my clothes, and after the washing here, the washing machine is over here. Sorry for the mess. And there is, you can see the tap over there, that's the tap through which the pipe comes, and there is a drain down there, so that it, and all the dirty water from the, after having washed the clothes, all the water goes out through there. So I think I've given you a fair idea as to how the kitchen looks like. You can have a, I mean, you can design your own kitchen, and we have a lot of things over here, a lot of space we have created for that. Of course, every now and then, especially, you will have to just go through your stuff, because all the things which are inside these cabinets, and which are the cabinets which are not used very often, you will find that you have kept away something maybe 3, 4, 5 years earlier and not touched it, and so you'll have to take it out, and you'll find a lot of cockroach families have established themselves, and kind of, so what do you call it, you'll have to clean it up maybe once a year. You'll have to just dust it with some little bit of phenol and all those things, and so that that stale smell also will go. So Felix, I hope you've got a fair idea as to how to go about it. I think this should be all right. You can make your own plans for your kitchen, uh, and kind of we really sat on it, and always make you should see to it that the kitchen is well lit, especially in the evening, because once the sun is down, you need a lot of light in the kitchen to work. So we have made arrangements for two tube lights. Here you can see one over there, there is a tube over there on the west side, and on the east side we have one more tube. I hope you can see it. You see, the kitchen has to be well lit, and we have also a provision over here for a fan, for putting up a fan, a small fan. You get all fans of all kinds of sizes, so that it doesn't hit the things nearby when it is rotating. You can choose to have a fan also, and so I think, Felix, that's about it. I hope it's been yes. What, and your power plugs, see to it. Microwave will need a nice power plug. The what do you call it, the sandwich maker needs a power plug. The water heater over there needs a power plug. So you should have power plugs in adequate places, and you should make a provision for what you call it, one of those things I forgot what you call those things. Oh, I'm so forgetful nowadays. That thing, which purifies the water. Okay, you should have a provision for that, and a plug point and a water source to get water into that was planned over here, but somehow we never came around to doing it. So Felix, yeah, you can see this is that concrete slab, concrete alla, the granite slab. You can choose. There are so many beautiful slabs which are available nowadays. You can choose the color which you want, and then design your whole kitchen around that. So I hope this is just about it. Yeah, you can see the various cabinets, how they are designed. Okay, this one, it opens upwards like this. This one, these cabinets open like that. Okay, and we have small spaces over there, and that similar space over there, you keep a lot of your spices and salt and pepper and all those things. Okay, so take care, brother. I hope this has been useful. You can absorb some ideas from there. Okay, take care.